Hi and welcome to my channel, Sherbears Whimsical Gifts. For those of you who don't know me yet, I am Sherry. And for those of you who do know me, welcome again. I'm so happy to see you guys. I am here just to let you guys know what my channel is about. So I have been making some changes and added different types of medias to my channel. And I felt like I really need to kind of just come on here and let you all know, what is my channel. And for those who don't know me yet, what is my channel? So let me tell you, my channel is all kinds of crafts. So I love doing all kinds of crafts. I love making, gifts for people, and that's where the gift thing comes from. And I love making myself gifts, and I love just creating. So I will play around with polymer clay and wood and resin and paint and alcohol inks, and I just kind of go all over the place with my stuff. And I love to just really jump in and see what I can create. So you can see right now I'm in my backyard, and I'll just give you the perfect example. So I'll be back here, or I have woods all in the back of my house, so I'll go walking in the woods, and if I see a mushroom and I just love that mushroom, I'm gonna go up into my craft room and I'm gonna make that mushroom, and I'm just gonna create, what I see. I love nature and I love the beauty of it. So a lot of my stuff will have to do with nature. But I also love to work with gemstones. So you'll see me put gemstones into clay, and I use materials, that are laying around so I can recycle them. And there's so many things I want to bring to the channel. So if I have an empty bottle and I want to, upcycle it, that's what you're going to see me do. A lot of my videos are the first time that I'm creating that particular piece. I don't practice on all my stuff and then do my recording. So you'll see mistakes and you'll see me change my ideas while I am working. But to me, it's so inspiring to see people like that, because then that you can make mistakes and you can, change in the middle of your project, and you can, add or take away. And that's the beauty of art, and that's the beauty of creating, and that's what my channel is going to be about. And if you are looking for somebody that's going to, show you the freedom of just going in and making that piece your piece. So in my videos, I also will tell you guys, make this piece your piece. You don't have to do exactly what I am doing. I love when people come onto my page on Facebook and share with me their work, because they'll say, well, I did this different, I did this different. And I jump for joy for that, because that to me is saying that I inspired them to create and take one idea and make it their own. And that's what my channel is about. So I really hope you guys are looking for somebody like that. If you are, subscribe. You won't be disappointed. I love you all, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.